Hi, this is Kirk Lynch, and this will be a brief video talking about a credit memo that we have received. We purchased some stuff from a vendor. We didn't want all of it or didn't need all of it, and have sent it back, and they have issued us a credit memo. And so in your transactions, you might see something similar to this. This is a credit memo from a company called Hardware. And we had bought some stuff from them, and we're sending back 4 wash tubs and 5 step stools for a total of $400. However, they offered us a discount, and we recorded this transaction at a discounted amount originally, and so we need to record this return at the discounted amount, which in this case is $392. So credit memos go in our general journal. So in our general journal, we would skip a line after the transaction that we just completed, and if we look at this transaction page, this was received June 12th, so our transaction date will be the 12th of June. We are going to debit accounts payable, and we need to indicate that this is Bandon Hardware. We're going to debit that amount for the $392, and we are going to credit merchandise inventory to indicate we no longer have that in our inventory. So that's the journal entry. We need to post this information now. And for accounts payable, it's like the accounts receivable we had up here. We have to update both the subsidiary ledger for accounts payable and the general ledger for accounts payable. Let's start with the general ledger. So here's the general ledger accounts payable. The date would be the 12th of June. This came from our general journal on page 1, and it's a debit for $392. That will make the balance of this account, let's see, $45,250 minus $392 gives us a balance of $44,858 in this case. Okay. Now the posting reference for this is 211, so back in our general journal we're going to put 211 right there, but we also have to update our subsidiary ledger, which is going to cause us to have a split posting reference, and I'll come back and fix that once we update our accounts payable subsidiary ledger. So here we have Bandon Hardware in accounts payable subsidiary ledger. Here was our original purchase. We bought it discounted. We owed them $1,960. So on the 12th, we are going to post this from our general journal on page 1, and it's a debit for $392. That makes the balance that we owe them $1,960 minus $392, or $1,960 minus $392 gives me a balance of $1,568. Now back in our general journal, our posting reference for this should look like this, 211 slash, and it should be a check mark, which I have said I can't do, so we'll make an X in there. And so that debit entry has been posted to 2 places. And then we're going to move down to merchandise inventory. So in our general ledger, we'll find merchandise inventory. It's up here somewhere after cash, about right here. And we'll go on the 12th. And this will be a credit of $392. And that will make our balance $87,730. $87,730 minus $392, or $87,338. And then finally our posting reference for this is 114. So we put 114 here. So that's how a credit memo that has been issued by one of our regular suppliers gets journalized and posted to record that return. If you have any other questions, you know where to find me, and good luck. Talk to you later.